I am very impressed with the heat output of this nice, small, compact, nicely designed and built, lightweight, heater with a thermostat. It is putting out much more heat than I expected. The design looks close to 100% efficient. While I just received it, and just turned it on, I am very happy. I see the constantly on power light as a reminder to unplug it when not in use. On the small downside, it does not seem to have a tip-over safety shut-off. The heating element gets quite hot, so common sense safety precautions are required. Do not use near volatile fumes. Safety instructions are included. A great little heater. Best little heater I ever had, heats up 800 square feet fast and steady. Excellent heater for its size. I bought this to use in our back office and it keeps it at a very comfortable temperature. Workshop at my building does not have heaters.